Hello, I am KS Rao. You know me quite well. You have seen me presenting the Sudoku videos over 100 times. Maybe this is the 106th or 107th video. Okay. Therefore, I thought we can save that 1 minute or two by avoiding the introduction part of each video. Okay. Therefore, we get a chance to start with our puzzle straight away. And one thing more, a few of our viewers or friends, one Mr. Chinta Kumar, I remember, and a number of people have advised me to use an instrument or a pointer or something like that because my hand was covering the video and the puzzle part of it. Therefore, today I thought of making a device like this. This is a pen extended with a used, discarded pen with a little tape here. So today I will try pointing out with this end like this and writing with this end. Okay. Let us now start with our puzzle. This puzzle especially I have to mention, it has appeared in the Hindu paper today, that is 18th October 2020. So it has been rated as a 5-star puzzle, but I see there are 28 key numbers given, but it has earned the 5-star status, so no dispute about that. And the specialty is that this box number 5 is completely blank, no number given. Okay, that's okay. Let us start with our puzzle now. Straight away, we shall start with our tricks. Now, have a look at this top horizontal strip. In this, we see in row C especially, we see the 6, 7 and 8 here. These three numbers cannot get replicated in C1, C2 or C3, but they have to get accommodated in A1, A2 or A3, thus forming a castle in box 1 and releasing these three spaces for different numbers. Okay, so let us start writing those three numbers there. We'll take into stock the cross checks. Okay, 6, 7 and 8. We have a 7 here. Therefore, let me write 6 and 8 here. 6, 8. No cross checks here. So all three numbers 6, 7, 8. Here also 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now what about these three places in box number 1? We require 2, 4 and 5. Yeah, we have a 4 here down below, another 4 here. Therefore, in rows in C1, the only number which can get written is number 4. Okay, then what about these two places? It is obvious, numbers 2 and 5 there. So we make a pair of them and write 2 and 5 here and 2 and 5 here because there is no cross check of 2 or 5 below. Okay. Now let us look at the rest of this top strip. We find number 5 standing aloof there. This 5 cannot get replicated B7, B8 or B9. Therefore, in row B, the only place where that 5 can be accommodated is B4. Let us write that 5 there. Okay. And then what about these three places in row B? It is evidently for 2, 4 and 8. We can see, look at row B only, not elsewhere. Here, we have a 4 down here below at H9, another 4 at E8. Therefore, we cannot replicate a 4 here or here, and the only place in row B for 4 is here. Then, the remaining two numbers are 2 and 8. So we see an 8 here down below. Therefore, let us write our 8 here. And the last place in row B is for a 2. Okay. And then, see, look at box 3 now. There are 3 vacancies now. That is for 1, 3 and 9. Okay. Look at row C. Also, there are three vacancies for same numbers 1, 3, and 9. So let us write those. Let us fill up this row C and box 3. Okay. Let us do it. Okay. 1 is there below. So let us write 3 and 9 there. We have a 3 below. Let us write 1 and 9 here. And all three numbers here 1, 3, and 9. Okay. And then let us fill up this row C also. 1, 3, and 9. Obviously, there are no cross checks in column number 5 and column number 6. Therefore, 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9. Okay. Now let us leave the strip now for the time being because something interesting is there. That's why I am leaving the strip. Look at this middle horizontal strip. We have 4 and 5 here in row D here, another 4 and 5 here in row E, and in column number 6 also we have this 4 and 5. Therefore, looking at this box, the only two places for 4 and 5 are these F4 and F5. For 4 and 5, they form a pair, but we have already written a 5 there above. Therefore, we can happily write number 5 here and 4 comes here. F4, 4, okay. And now looking back at box number 2, we have a 4 here. So what we did not write at that time, we are writing now. So let us get a 4 here. Now it is obvious, we have a 4 here, we have a 4 here, and this place is for 1, 3, 9, so we get a 4 there. It is two ways of looking at the same thing. Okay. Now what about A6? It is clearly for 1, 3, and 9. Let us write that 1, 3, and 9 also there. Okay. And now we have seen the strip. Let us leave it now. Come to this strip, bottom horizontal strip. See, number 1 is missing. 2 occurs once again. 3 occurs 2 times. But here we do not know whether to write a 3 here or here because there is no cross check there above. So 3 also does not help now. 4 3 times already done with the puzzle makers. 5 occurs just once. 6 is missing. 7 occurs 2 times, but only one cross check above 7 is there. Therefore, we do not know whether to write 7 here or here. So leave there also now. 8 occurs once. 9 is missing. So no luck here. But we have this row H in which we have 5 numbers given by the puzzle makers. That means only 4 vacancies are there. Let us see for what numbers those are. It is 1, 5, 6, and 9. 4 places for 1, 5, 6, and 9. Okay. So let us see the cross checks and fill up. 1, 5, 6, 9. 1 and 5 are there above. So it is 6 and 9 here. And 1 and 9 here above we can see in column number 2. Therefore it is 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Here only 9 is there. Therefore 3 numbers occur here. 1, 5, 6. 1, 5, 6. Here we have 5 and 6 above. 5 here and 6 in B6. Therefore, we can write 1 and 9 here. And immediately we look above. In column number 6, we have created a trio of 1, 3, 9 here. And 1, 3, 9 there, 1, 3, 9 there, 1 and 9 here. Okay. That means in this box, these 3 numbers, these 3 cells, D6, E6 and F6 can be filled now because of this trio. What are the numbers required? We require 2, 6 and 8 to fill these 3 places. Let us see. 2, 6 and 8. We have only 8 here. So let me write 2 and 6 here. 2 and 6. No 2, no 6, no 8 in these two rows. So all three numbers get written 268, 268. Oh, sorry, oh, 6 is, I'm sorry. It is not 6. I'm sorry, mistake. This is 2, 7 and 8. I'm sorry. It's not 6, it is 7. It should be, let me correct it like this. Okay, let us remember that 2, 7 and 8. I'm sorry. It is we don't have any cross check, therefore let us write all the three numbers 2, 7 and 8. 2, 7 and 8. 2, 7, 8. Having done that, let us look at the rest of this box number 5. We have 1 and 9 in row E. That means these two numbers have to get accommodated D4 and D5. We don't have cross checks above or below for 1 and 9. Therefore, let us make a pair of them and write like this: 1 and 9, 1 and 9. Now these two cells are for what? We require 2 and 3. No, sorry. Like this I am doing a mistake again. We have 1 here, 2. We require 3 and 6. I'm sorry. 3 and 6. So no cross checks for 3 and 6 above or below. Therefore, let us make a pair of 3 and 6 and write there 3 and 6. We do not, I don't see much of opportunity in these boxes. Therefore, let us look at rows and columns in which are 5 or more numbers and look for the our clues. Okay, so have a look. This here column 1 has got only 4 numbers. Column number 2 has got only 4 numbers again. Even here it is only 3 numbers. Here we have got 5 numbers, column number 4. These are for 1, 3, 6 and 9. So we have a 3 here. So we can write 1, 6 and 9 here. 1, 6 and 9 here. No cross check of 1, 3, 6 or 9. Therefore, all 4 numbers get written here. 1, 3, 6 and 9. Okay. Here, only 4 numbers are there. And this is already we have seen. So the column number 7 has got only 4 numbers, but column number 8 has got 5 numbers there already. So what are the required things now? We need 1, 5, 7 and 9. 1, 5, 7 and 9. 1, 5, 7 and 9. In row D, we have 1 in this pair, 5 here and 9 again in this pair. Therefore, the only number which can occur here is number 7. That is our blue line trick. Okay, I hope I am clear. This column requires 1, 5, 7 and 9. We have 1, 9 and 5 in row D. Therefore, 7 takes this position. Okay. So immediately we can correct this D6 and strike this 7 there. Okay. Now, we'll come back to this. No. Let us see what about these 3 places remaining in column number 8. We require 1, 9 clear. What is the other number? 1, 5 and 9. Yes, 1, 5 and 9. We have this 5 here. Therefore, we can write our 5 here. Yeah. And then this place is for 1 and 9. The matching pair for what is there at 8. Okay. 1 and 9 there. Okay. Now let us go back to row E. After having done some work here, There is a trick here, small trick, not a big one. Okay. Now here we require to complete this row E, we require 2, 7 and 8. We have 7 and 8 here, therefore the obvious number is 2 for this E9. This is our, once again, our 2 by 3 trick. Okay. After writing this 2, look here. We have a 7 here, therefore we cannot repeat 7 here. This is the only place for 7. And what comes to E1 is number 8. Okay. Then we have written number 7 here. Immediately we can correct this F6 also. We can disband this 2 and 7 and write a 2 there. This mistake I had done instead. So okay. After writing this 2, even D6 gets corrected. So let us write our 8 there. 8. Okay. 8. And now we have a look at row D. It's got only 3 vacancies now. Yeah. 2 is here, so we cannot repeat 2 there. And this is a place for 2. Immediately we can disband the pair of 2 and 5 at C3. Let's cut that pair and write a 5 there. And here is the number 2. Okay. After that, let us come back here. We have, what about these 3 places? Let us have a look. We require 3, 6 and 9. We have 9 in this pair, therefore we can write our 9 here. And these 2 places are for 3 and 6. We do not have any cross check. Okay. I think we can write as well. The idea of writing these small numbers is we need not keep these details in our mind. So when we write in small numbers, we know what are the numbers which can get in there. So the meaning is except 3 or 6, no other number can venture into this D9 and similarly this D7 also. Okay. Now can anything be done these 3 places in row F? Let us see. Yeah, we have a 3 above, we have a 3 here. Therefore, let us write our 3 at F1. Okay, and what about these 2? These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We do not have a cross check of 6 or 7 above or below. So let us write them as a pair, 6 and 7, 6 and 7. Okay. Now what shall we do? We have not examined this box at all. Can we do something now? Let's see. We have 1 here. 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. Any chance for 6? No. 7. Yeah, we can get a 7 here. We get a 7 at C7 in column board 7. Another 7 written at D8. Therefore, 7 cannot be repeated here. And 7 cannot be repeated here. Therefore, we can write our 7 here. And what else? Number 8. No, 8 can be written here and here. Leave it now. And what about 9? 9 here. Don't know. Okay, leave it. Look at column number 1. We have written this 8. Therefore, we can correct A1. We can write a 6 there. Then after writing that 6, look down here below at H1. We can make a 9 there. And then look across. We can write disband this pair at H6 and put number 1 there. And that 1 gets deleted here. So we have a pair of 5 and 6 here. Then look above. I got a 5 there at C3. Therefore, what we have to do is disband this pair and write a 6 there. And this is a 5. Operating the 6, this pair also gets disturbed, broken. You can write a 7 there. And this is a 6. I think very soon I have to change this pen. Okay. And now column of 1 is having only one vacancy, that is for number 2. Let's write that number 2 there. And what about these two? J2 and J3. We have a 1 there above, therefore we get our number 1 here. And this place is clearly for number 8. Okay. And then this box 1 can be examined now because we have filled everything else in left vertical strip. So we have written 6 there. These two places are 7 and 8. We have a 7 here and 8 here. Let's exchange. We can write a 7 here and 8 here. Okay. So that completes left vertical strip. Okay, now look at row J. We have this 2 here in H7. That means this 2 cannot get replicated here or here. The only place in row J for number 2 is this here. Let's write the 2 there. And then what about these 3 places now in row J? We require all that requirement. We got 3 there. That 3 cannot be replicated here like 2. So we get that 3 here. And these 2 places are for 6 and 9. We have this 9 here. Let us write our 9 here and 6 here. Okay. After writing this number 9, we can correct this pair and make it 1 there. And here it is what? Number 8 here. It's G7. It is number 8. Okay. And then after writing this 9 here, look at the C9. We can make it 3 there. And in column number 8, we have only one vacancy, that is for 1 and 9. 1 we have written below here. Therefore, we can get a 9 there. And the last cell in box 3 is for number 1. Okay. Next door, operating this 1 and 9 here. This is 3, obviously. And these 2 places are for 1 and 9. C5 and C6, we have written number 1 below. Therefore, we can write our number 1 here and 9 here. Oh, this pen needs replacement. Okay, let us manage for this file, this video, few numbers to be written. Okay. Now, after writing that number 1, look below at D5. You can disband this pair and write 9 there. And at D4 is 1, 1. Bear with me. Okay. And looking further in row D, after writing this 3 at C9, this is a 6 here. That's a 6. And this is a 3. That's a 3. Okay. And what else? I think for this puzzle only 2 vacancies are remaining now. That is for 6 and 9. It's obvious we got a 9 there above. So we write our 6 here. And this is a 9. Okay, I think we've done it. So, my friends, one more pair is remaining. Of course, you can also correct it, you can also find the numbers, but let us do it. Still well on the video. Okay, we have written this number 6 down below. So this is a number 3, and here it is obviously number 6, and I will bid a goodbye to this pen also. Okay, it's a good thing. Okay, now we have this puzzle. I think we have done quite easily, although it is a 5-star puzzle, and I am glad that I am able to show some tricks here. This, for example, this castle here, some this blue line trick, and some 2x3 tricks, and so on. So, my usual one of the points is I request people to copy the puzzle first, try, and then look at this video. But in this case, it's fortunate that this puzzle has been published already by a newspaper, and all of you would have tried it, and either you have succeeded or not, you have understood the problems and difficulties there in that puzzle, and now if you have seen this video, all your doubts would get cleared. Okay, so that's about the puzzle, and I request you to read these lines here about this books of miracles shown by God and this Sudoku made easy, both written by me. Okay, so that's about the puzzle and these books. God bless you all.